My name is Andrew, and I'm a welding student at continuing education. My life as a fisherman was my first love of life. Something drew me to the ocean when I was younger. My horizons went further from the pier to then the ocean, and then it just grew from there. I fell in love with sport fishing and fishing in general. From fishing to welding. I was diagnosed with a brain tumor in December 2018. Went through 2 craniotomies, which pulled me out of work and lots of life aspects that I had always known. I found the ABI program at CTE Mesa. I do feel like the ABI program gave me the opportunity of putting me here. My mind put together getting into the industry. I've taken the shielded metal arc welding, which is stick welding, gas metal arc welding, which is MIG, and right now we're on the flux cord arc welding. But it's going really well. I could honestly not ask for a better instructor, a better place to be learning at the time. Brad Dorschel is the most legitimate instructor that I could have ever asked for. My goal is to start working. The shipyards have been a thought for me. There's shipyards all around the world. You work for one, they can send you to another continent, state in the US, anywhere else that they might have a shipyard. So that would be awesome. I've also applied with the Iron Workers Union here. Got to start somewhere, and this has definitely been a great start for me. It's a start to my pathway, a pathway of mine.